people. Oh, they're jumping. Oh, see? We're in bug seat.
Alam na naman niya. Yun ang sinabi niya sa akin. Oh, may walang kasalan. Pero hindi na ako bitin. Ngayon ko lang nagkulala. Parang nagbibiro siguro siya. Hindi naman niya siguro. Sadya na. Para pang siguro nagbibiro.
Sa ito nga.
Umisip din lang.
We're here. We're here.
Nandun ka ba?
We're here, guys. We're here in bug seat. Bug seat.
Ikaw si Johnny naman din nakasigita niya sa iyo.
I'm here in bug seat.
Dinapitan niya mismo siya.
Bug seat, guys. Playing. The water is so clear.
Happy New Year. 26.
There's our cottage. It's cottage.
Una, sinabi niya sa harapan niya. Tapos siya sa likuran sa balikan niya.
Oh, those guys, they're jumping.
Yukuhan pa niya. Umisig lang naman. Napagising din ako. First kami sa mother sa yata.
Oh, those girls.
Inang natamon.
Oh, they finish eating.
Tatamunsing.
Tatamonsing mismo.
There's a lot. We're here. This is the vlog. Oh, they do their grill here. This is the grilling area. Hi. Oh, yummy. What do you have? Oh, there. Wow, there. It's yummy. Seaweed. Seafood. Oh, they have barbecue here. Yummy, yummy. What do you have here?
Tinitingnan ulam ng kapitbahay.
I'm just vlogging. Oh, here we have a grilled seafood too. Oh, we have fish. Milk fish. We have pork. There.
So ready cook.
Oh, this is our...
Kaya ang gaganda ng butterfly dito.
Yeah. Kuha ka may ano doon. There. Oh, this is the grilled area. Oh, may tangki rin sila dito pala. This is the Bagsit River. Oh, they are doing a tank for the pupu. Tank for the pupu. No, there. Septic tank. See, look at the cottages. Oh, it's not a nipa hut already. It's already made of PVC or something. See, it's nice place. How many minutes we ride from our house? 30 minutes or more than 1 hour? 1 hour. 1 hour ride. No, it doesn't. 1 hour ride from Batu to here. See? There's the grilling area.
Okay ka na.
Back to back. The grilling.
Mainit na.
Yeah, we need to take mag-sim ka naman ng Fred.
Dawit mo tinay ko ah.
Yung sasakyan nandyan.
Ay, break yan.
Umalis sa likod tayo bakit naman.
Taga Majuro yun naman eh. Taga
Oo. Diyan nagkapanig yun.
Oh, those guys. There. They're jumping.
Kaya naman may sa ano plato
Walang pili.
Akin na yan.